Hi, this video is an overview of the Curiosity Nano Series, featuring the Curiosity Nano adapter and PIC18F57Q43 Evaluation board. There are 5 sets of tutorials planned for the Curiosity Nano Series, beginning with a single Nano set using a Curiosity Nano adapter and PIC18 evaluation board with breadboard, various sensors and clickboards. Then moving on to the dual Nano set using 2 Curiosity Nano adapters and PIC18 evaluation boards with breadboard, various sensors and clickboards, transferring data via various wired communication options. The next set features wireless RF on-off keying, transmit and receive clickboards with various sensors and clickboards for one-way and two-way wireless data transfer. Then there is the wireless MiWi set with two-way transceiver communication, and finally the IoT set. The Curiosity Nano adapter provides a flexible platform for installation of evaluation boards from various microcontroller families. There are 3 click slots and over 1,000 clickboards, as well as an Explain Pro extension to further the scope of prototyping possibilities. The PIC18F57Q43 evaluation board will be used for this series. The Curiosity Nano adapter is supplied with header sockets, which can be fitted or soldered into place. The evaluation boards can be fitted with the supplied header pins, allowing the board to be installed into the adapter header sockets. The evaluation board may also be soldered directly onto the adapter board, although the socket and pin method is more than adequate. Using the socket and pin headers allow easy exchange of evaluation boards if required later. Now let us look briefly at some user guide information for click slot and evaluation board pin association. For example, click slot 1 has AN1 connected to RA0 of the evaluation board. This can be confirmed at both highlighted locations. For RST1, which is connected to RA7 on the evaluation board, as highlighted here. This is the PIC18F57Q43 Curiosity Nano Evaluation board. The pinouts with peripherals added. And here are the click slot pinouts. The Explain Pro extension allows additional functionality to be added. The single Nano set of tutorials feature various clickboards and sensors from breadboard. The dual Nano set of tutorials feature 2 adapter and evaluation boards with various clickboards and sensors and wired communications for data transfer. The RF wireless set of tutorials feature on-off keying, transmit and receive clickboards with various sensors and clickboards for one- and two-way wireless data transfer. The wireless MiWi set of tutorials feature two-way transceiver communication between 2 adapter evaluation board bases, which is followed by the IoT series of tutorials featuring the IoT click modules and solutions. Thanks for watching. The next videos will be the breadboard series tutorials. The development board series will then be released, and the Curiosity Nano Series tutorials will follow. Please leave a comment or suggestions to help improve the content. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on videos as they become available.